realm of riddles.
You are a Viking warrior about to uncover the tomb of one of your powerful ancestors. You are so close to discovering riches beyond belief, but there is a puzzle door barring your progress. On the door, there is a stone tablet with the following inscriptions. In front of the door, there is a clock-shaped stone dial on which you can set the pointer to any number from 1 to 12, but you get the feeling you will only have one try. How can you safely unlock the door on your first try? Pause the video now to solve the riddle for yourself. While this riddle may seem confusing, it is not that difficult. In the examples where you have the corresponding numeric values, simply count the number of enclosed angles on each rune. The first rune has 9 enclosed angles, the second 7, and so on. Therefore, the correct answer is 6. You set the dial to the correct position and marvel at the bright glow of gold in front of you as the puzzle door removes itself from view.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please like the video and subscribe. Share the video with your friends. Let's hit 300 subscribers by April.